Acquisition techniques applicable to develop the library's collections. What is the collection development? International Federal of Libraries Associations and Institutions state that collection development is based on ongoing assessment of the information needs of the library's clientele, uses statistics analysis, and demographic projections, and is normally constrained by budgetary limitations. What are the processes of collection development? The processes of collection development include planning selection criteria, planning new collections, replacement of lost and damaged items, and weeding the collections. There are a variety of current materials, such as printing format, electronic books, and databases. A library acquires materials by purchase, exchange, gift, or legal deposits. The important information that is useful for selecting the library materials include authors, titles, publishers, formats, editions, prices, languages, pages, series, reviews, dimensions, and weights. However, the general criteria used by selectors for the acquisition of libraries' collections depends on the policy of each library. Normally, the general criteria includes user needs, costs, and libraries' purposes, such as curriculum support or core materials on subject studies. This is the example of how we can select an appropriate material for an academic library. These are information of books from the Amazon.com website. I think everyone knows Amazon. It is an American electronic commerce and cloud computing company, which started as an online bookstore. Now it sells various kinds of products and services, such as music, video, Kindle, software, beauty products, toys, gourmet food, grocery. We can say that Amazon sells everything. Let's visit the Amazon.com. I found one book that is very interesting. You can see the images of book covers on your left-hand side. On the top of the cover, it shows the name of Stephen Hawking. Then on the bottom of the cover, it shows the title, A Brief History of Time. On your right-hand side, present many details including format, years of publication, authors, prices, average customer review, and reviews. If you scroll down, you will see the book detail. Now let's observe more about the book detail. For the product details, it shows the paperback, 212 pages. Publisher is Bantam Publishers. The language is English, and ISBN, product dimension, shipping weight, average customer review, and Amazon bestsellers rank. From these details, the librarians can evaluate the format of materials, subjects, and prices of this book. But it hardly gives you a decision to buy these books because we cannot evaluate the reliabilities of the book. So we should find more information related to the author and content. If you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you can see the biography of the authors. As can be seen, Stephen Hawking was a physicist who wrote many science books. This book is very popular. It has sold nearly 10 million copies in 40 languages. Then, if you scroll up the web page, you will find the editorial review. It briefly explains about the content of this book. It states that Hawking reveals the answer related to universe, such as gravity, black hole, the Big Bang, and the nature of time. Significantly, The book is easy to read and understood for non-scientists. For more information about the content, you can observe the customer reviews, which have more than 2,000 reviews. The average review is 4.5 star, which is very good. You can see that most customers review this book as easy to read. More than that, you can look at the table of content, copyright page, and the sample of book by clicking on Look Inside, located on the top of the book cover image. There are 12 chapters, and here are some sample pages of the book. From this information, we can conclude that this book is related to physics and science, which is good for general people. Its content appropriate for high school students, undergrad students, and adults. If the library has enough funding, this book must be served in the library.